Hey there, if you'd like to grow your business from the inside without advertising, this could help. I'd call this the new client welcome secret, and it's an example of real marketing, and I'm going to explain for you now. If you take a look at that picture, it's a text I got from a new client after he got my welcome box by mail. What is a welcome box, you ask? Well, my service is growing sales for entrepreneurs using the words of their clients. I call it the voice of the buyer copywriting, but it's intangible. You can't touch it, feel it, pick it up in a store. It's a service. It's a promise. It's not a product. So what I like to do is to make my service tangible as quickly as I can because that increases trust, which allays buyers' remorse and increases delight for my clients. Hence the new client welcome box that I send out to every new client after they engage with me. I send it by priority mail. Now, inside every new client welcome box is about $150 worth of gifts, including at least one personalized item, such as a coffee mug from their favorite sports team or the college they went to school, a gift of food, or in this case, it's a deck of euchre cards. Turns out my new client likes to play euchre, and he mentioned it in our initial phone call. And I like euchre too. We had a nice laugh about it, and we found that we had that in common, which was a good thing. So I was delighted when my client texted me a picture of the contents of his welcome box, along with a handwritten message that says, "What a surprise." You can see that here, but this is a picture of his euchre cards. And it made my morning, and he seems pretty happy too. This is an example of what I call real marketing. Real marketing has two parts. Part one is real, as in authentic. By giving my client a gift, reminding him of a favorite card game that we both share, I made a genuine personal connection with him, and that's incredibly important when it comes to client retention. Part two, real as intangible. By sending my client a gift by US priority mail, he has physical proof in his hands that there's a real person behind my intangible service. There's no AI chatbot on earth that can match that. So I have three questions for you now. If you want to grow your business without advertising. Number one, what is your process for welcoming new clients? Question two, what's your budget for that, including real, tangible appreciation? Question three, if you're not happy with your answers to questions one or two, what are you going to do about it?